gentlemen, I'm back out on Canada Square. It's day 12. I'm halfway there. I'm sucking in the gas now. You know I like to be out amongst where the things are happening. Right in between it. Loads of people about. Making a noise, making friends, and raising awareness. That's what it's all about. It's all about getting the word on the streets. So here we go. Day 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Thank you very much. Lovely people, that was day 12. Nominations today. And I'm going to nominate a lovely IT man, Mr. Peter Gordon. You got the guns to do it, mate. Can't wait to see him. Lovely people, see you tomorrow.